In the hierarchy of advertisements for motor racing teams, a rolling, V10-powered shiny green haymaker is surely right up there. Welcome to the Lamborghini Huracan STO SC10, the motoring equivalent of wearing a Nomex racing suit to the supermarket. Despite its wings and things, this is still a road-going Huracan. It marks 10 years of Lambo's Squadra Corse race team, whose engineers have directly influenced the development of this special edition. That extends to a new performance kit that adds a pair of front carbon fiber flicks mounted on the bonnet and a rear wing with an angle 3 degrees higher than the production model in order to boost downforce front and back. The aero changes are complemented by a new set of racing shocks, replacing the standard fit active units that offer four-way adjustability with rebound or compression at both high and low frequencies. Bridgestone has developed a new set of tires for the SE10, while a standard fit Akrapovic exhaust will better broadcast the Hura very much can naturally aspirated V10. Inside, there are further nods to its track-honed prowess in the shape of sports seats, 4-point seat belts, an aluminum roll bar and a carbon fiber floor covering, and a plaque. Though the SC10E's livery better broadcasts just how unique a Huracan it is, it nods to Lambo's 2024 Le Mans contender, featuring a green and black two-tone paint job, Anniversario logos, and an all-important stripe. We firmly believe that motorsport is the most technically sophisticated and challenging testbed, said Lambo's tech boss Reuven Moore. And Squadra Corse's know-how is a valuable asset that deserves to be highlighted on unique models and limited road series with a racing vocation. Just remember that decade of motorsport knowledge the next time you're parking up at the supermarket in your racing suit.